When you first log into the mobile app, you'll see a section called Pipeline Activity. This is going to give you a high-level overview of what deals are moving through the pipeline, which deals have changed stages, deals that were recently won. As a sales manager, you could ask for updates on a deal, and you could also send a quick note to congratulate a team member if they recently won a deal. Then you'll see here with a quick swipe, if you want to remove any of these deals from your view, you can just swipe them and that card will disappear from that feed. Starred lists are also going to show up on this dashboard view if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, so you can access any of your custom list views that you've starred. Now the top drop down here is going to give you the option to filter between different users or different teams' pipelines, depending on your visibility setup. In the upper left corner, the gear icon is going to give you access to update your profile, access help, and log out of the application. In the upper right, this magnifying glass will be your master search bar, so you can search here across all records in the account, so across companies, deals, and people. And just like in the web app, you can search using name, email address, or phone number. The navigation that we see at the bottom of the screen will take you to the different sections of the app. So right now you can see we're on the dashboard because that's highlighted in blue. If I tap over to agenda, we'll see that agenda is now highlighted in blue since that's the section that we're looking at. And the agenda is going to default to show your tasks for today. From here, you can tap into a task to see a little bit more detail. And then a few actions I'd like to point out here. You can tap on the phone icon to place a call. You could tap on the mail icon, and then we'll just open your default mail client to send an email. And then if this is an in-person visit and you need directions, just tap on the location icon and you'll get directions. If you tap on the caret icon at the top where it says today's tasks right now, you'll be able to access any of your saved lists that you've created for agenda. And moving along to contacts, if we tap on that, you'll see that you're presented with a list of all of your contacts. And you'll also have the option to toggle between people and companies at the top there. You can tap on the phone icon next to any of your contacts' name to place a call to them. And if you want some additional items or additional action items, just swipe and click on actions and you'll see that you've got the option to email, call, schedule a task, add an activity. And just like in the agenda, if you tap on the caret up at the top, you'll be presented with any of your saved list views that you've created. All right, and tapping over to deals here. By default, you're going to see your most recent deal interactions. Just like elsewhere within the app, if you tap on that caret icon, you'll be presented with all of your saved lists as well, so you can access those. If you swipe left on any of the deals, you'll be able to access some quick actions, just like we could do under people. And then you can always go into any of your profiles just by tapping on the name of the record. And then from here, you can view and add activities. You can take a look at the deal details, including things like custom fields and any files you might have associated to that record. And you can also tap over to agenda, which is going to show you any to-do items or follow-ups that you have scheduled for that particular record. To edit any of the records that you're on, just click on edit in the upper right-hand corner. And then if you ever need to add a new record into Pipeline Deals, via the app, you can just click on that big plus sign at the bottom there and choose the type of record that you'd like to add. And of course, if you have any questions, help is just a tap away. Back under the gear icon here, you can call into our support team right from within the app.